Let's have a look at this babyG watch. It's been a while since I talked about babyG on the channel. So today, let's take a break from G-Shock watches. Don't worry, more will be coming. I have a lot of G-Shock watches. Like really, I could make a G-Shock watch review video all the way to the end of the year. But few babyG on my possession, so let's give them some time, I'm wearing one as well in square. They both look like they are almost the same but totally different model. This is the BGD-110, which is great, have cool function like zoom feature that G-Shock watch didn't have. I got this one on bracelet. Look at that, not as good. I'm thinking about refurbishing this, probably clean up the yellowish part, whitening up if possible. But anyway, I'll update you guys if that ever happened. Today we're gonna have a look at this guy. This is the BGD-110 stainless steel back, made in Thailand, and water resistant to 10 bar only. That's it. The difference is that they are 10 bar, but the function is very much, in my opinion, sometimes babyG have better function than G-Shock watch, even when they are cheaper, even when they look less intimidating. In a way, they are still better. They are tough. They are better for small wrist. I mean, look at that. I have a 15cm wrist. Look at how good the babyG look on my wrist. It fits perfect. So if you are one of those people who always complain about sizes, you know what? Just go ahead, get a babyG. Stop messing around with this high-end G-Shock. Okay? Oh, for a quick comparison though, not as small, right? Not as small. So this specific one came in full gloss. Even goes to the watch band and bezel. This metal bezel will blend in with the watch faceplate all the way to this display panel. It is really reflective, really mirror-like. So it's gonna be pretty tricky for me to show you guys how the watch face looks like though with the camera. Alright, I guess this angle would do it. So we have now a time display and seconds display. I believe I could swap this to nothing, and also day-date display if I wanted to. Pressing mode button once will bring us into the world time where you could search through all the city, which is really cool. Some G-Shock didn't have this, right? Remember? And then you have alarm, 5 of them, including snooze and also signal. Pretty cool. And then you'll have a stopwatch to 24-hour range with split time functions. I remember there are a few G-Shock watch that didn't have this feature. Next, you'll have a countdown timer to also a range of 24 hours, which is great. You can see the square animations going on at the top and the bottom when every second has passed. Right, last but not least, back to home time. So that's all the function that this watch have. Again, we'll have world time, alarm, stopwatch, timer, which is really basic feature, but that's just enough for a babyG watch and for day-to-day wear. This watch even came equipped with auto light function. The EL will glow in green, almost a reflective like negative EL, I would say, because they only lights up the digits, not the whole watch face. And since it came with auto light function, I gotta say, in a way, it is a lot better than some G-Shock watches that I know of. And you could play around with this as well, since it didn't have those regular animations, right? Casio used the square at the top and at the bottom of the display. For that, you could erase that. You could use that as the seconds counter like this, or even like this. I believe there are 4 types of animations, so that's very cool to play around with. And that is as far as the function. Okay, again, the overall watch looks like that. The watch band is square off. The button is small, but I'm very sure they are easy to use. The watch band keeper looks like one of those on G-Squad G-Shock. The watch buckle is large, like some G-Shock, with Casio China sign at the bottom. The watch band has textured square off pattern, which looks great. Overall, this watch looks great, yet they aren't as popular. I don't know why. Probably Casio didn't promote them as much. But if you look hard enough, you will find this. The price are affordable. The fit is great. It is lightweight. It has a lot of function. Gosh, this is just great. Look at how good it looks. The babyG lettering aren't as visible at all, like literally clean. So I don't think most people are gonna notice if that even a babyG watch or a G-Shock watch. It's just subtle. Okay, that should sums up all the things that I could share about the watch. You guys could see by yourself and judge by yourself either this will be one for you or not. Thank you very much for watching. This is gshock, and